Yeah. I know, they're so big. Wait till they come around. You can touch them. And go to the other side. Yeah. You want to touch it, Heather? Here. Yeah, here. Wait till they come by. That's big, huh? They get bigger than that.
So cold.
Yeah, they have to they stay deep in the water. That's why they're not coming in. Come over here so I can touch you. Nathan, feel it, Wow, it's really cool. Yeah.
Has all the levels and use only 2 fingers students.
Touching it, that's really cool. Yeah. Here's your chin, Nathan. Touch it. That's cool, huh? Oh, look at that one, have sand.
Yes.
So many of them, man. Can you video me? Can I touch it? Don't put too close.
Please let me a little step up. Over here on my left, there's a little platform over there close to the exit. There's a little step up for the kids. The kids can lay on their
Oh, that one's
beds
missing a
as
tail.
long as
Oh, what happened to that one? That one's missing a tail.
or a parent with them holding on to their child so you don't have the child falling in the habitat.
There you come. Wow. Wow. He's big. See him, Lily? He's big. Here's another one. Wow. Here you come, here you come.
Oh, wow.
Look at it. They're so cute. Little big bubble too. Wow, that's so cool, huh?
Is that a leopard shark? Wow. Where did you get that shark? Oh, swimming in there.
Oh, the sharks are huge, huh? Oxygen thing. Okay, let's move on.
Because he's in timeout. He's in the timeout.
Anyway, they're having fun. They're swimming. Good?